Hey guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? Check this out. I got to roll kind of quick because we're fighting sunlight. But anywho, this is a beautiful black on black on black. That's black exterior, black interior, and black wheels. Murdered out, as you call it, as it's referred to. It's a 2015 GMC Yukon Denali XL. That's the long body. 6.2 liter, 4x4. Beautiful SUV. Rolling in style. Put mama in some straight out, murdered out, new style, nice body style SUV. This is the ticket right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful SUV. It's got some fuel wheels on it. We'll start off right off the rip. Fuel wheels, tinted windows, 20% to match the rear. Looks really nice and uniform. Tires are a 275 55 20-inch Yokohama Geolandar HT tire. Pretty ample tread. I'd say 40 to 50% on all four corners. These are a fuel wheel. These are a 20 by 10 or 9 fuel wheel. Went through the local inspection station at the local GMC dealership down the street over here. Passed inspection, got all the maintenance done and recalls. It does have the nice long style taillights on the back. They're Cadillac style taillights. So they light up the whole thing, which you can't ever be seen enough. Stretches from the whole upper part of the bottom bumper to the top, as well as your third brake light, and you are seen, my friend. Whoever owned this, I don't know specifically, but they took very good care of it. Very well maintained. Awesome backup lights. He did some aftermarket backup lights angling down to the sides right there. When you back up, the whole back lights up. You can easily take them off. If you guys want them off, we can take them off for you. No big deal. Push button right here to open the tailgate. Backup camera. Any features you're looking for, boom, it's on the key fob. Open the glass window, 1, 2, pops the glass window. Open the back, 1, 2, and it comes open. Remote start, 1, 2, 1. Sounds pretty good. Shut it off just as fast. Your nice little cargo area back here. You get your fold down seats, and these are huge back spots right here. Third row seat, okay? You can put the back down and it turns into like, you can fit a twin size bed back there, but all the room you need in a big size SUV. My brother and many other people are like, man, I'm thinking about getting one of those big long body style SUVs. This is the ticket. If you have a family and you're going somewhere, you're always like, man, I wish I would have bought something bigger. Well, this is the chance right here. This is beautiful, beautiful Denali. And it's really nice. It really is. Everything's good on it. Everything runs and drives good. The paint's in great shape. The underside is in great shape. Just minimal surface rust, but everything else is great. The body's good. You can still see the sticker up there. But yeah, she's clean. It really is. You can still see the reflection in the paint. Turn signals incorporated into the mirrors. Your proximity, if there's a car next to you, that light will flash saying, do not get over. Miles, 90,949 maintained miles. Denali accent on the seats. Power seats, power headlights, or automatic headlights, pedal adjustment, steering wheel adjustment, steering wheel change, steering wheel heated seats, cooled seats, heated seats, dual climate control, backup camera, Bluetooth, coolest button in the world. Want to hide your stash right there, or your gat, your guns, whatever you want into, you can put something right there, a little hidden compartment, and it goes way back, and it's got a USB built in. What better feature in a car? And it's all incorporated into the dash. Kick ass. Open your rear tailgate, sunroof right here, works great. Center console and Denali embossed in the headrests. Really nice. Power memory seats, Bose sound system, and it's just like I said, they kept up really nice on this. They really did. Open the doors. Let's check out the power plant, and then I'll move on. Here's onto the front side right there. Really clean. So she's nice. It really is. Love the Denalis because they get that infamous or that famous grill that you can know it's like the iconic. You can't go wrong when you see this coming down the road. It spells Denali. Brand new K&N cold air intake system. Fluids are nice and clean. So yeah, she's really nice, really nice. The fluids are good, and it sounds awesome when you step on it. Kind of like accelerate, you can feel it sucking in the cold air. There's a lot of things that suck in this world, and this one does a good job of it. Not going to go on with that further and elaborate, you guys can use your dirty minds. I don't care. I'm just telling you about the car, so stay focused. Anywho, back to the subject. You guys have any questions about this, give us a call, 540-898-3025. It is for sale. Or you can visit superiorwholesale.org. Guys, it would help to share the video, post us on the web and share our website. That'd be really helpful. So if you have any questions, just let us know. You can call or text me direct on my work cell phone, 540-848-2974. If you have any questions on it, I'll be more than happy to help you out when I'm at work. Hope you guys are doing great. You guys take care. Over and out.